Ағылшын тілінде қалай болады? Олар бір-біріне ұқсамайды.
The adjective different means not the same. When we compare two or more items, different from, different to are the same meaning. In American English, it is also common to say, different than. Different from is common for both countries. Lucy and Maria Aylmer are sisters. They are twins, but they are different from each other. Men are different from women. I am different from my father. Leslie and Linda Lopez are Jennifer's sisters. They are siblings, but Jennifer is different than them. This house is very different than your last one. This coffee tastes very different than the one I usually drink. Or, very different from, to the one I usually drink.